In this video, we listed the 20 best smart kitchen gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Homecraft Electric Iced Tea Maker. The Homecraft Electric Iced Tea Maker is a versatile appliance perfect for crafting refreshing iced beverages such as sweet tea and cold brew coffee. It comes equipped with a double insulated pitcher that helps maintain the ideal temperature for your drinks, ensuring they stay cold for longer periods. This black, small-sized model is designed to brew quickly and efficiently, offering a streamlined way to prepare your favorite cold drinks at home. Ideal for those who enjoy homemade beverages, the electric iced tea maker simplifies the process of brewing iced tea or cold brew coffee, making it especially convenient for busy individuals or those looking for a hassle-free drink preparation. Whether you prefer classic iced tea, sweet tea, or experimenting with cold brew coffee, this compact appliance caters to a variety of tastes, offering an easy and effective solution for preparing chilled drinks without the need for extra gadgets or complicated methods. Product 2. Product name, Automatic Soap Dispenser Foam. The Automatic Soap Dispenser Foam Bathroom is a sleek, touchless soap dispensing solution designed for both kitchens and bathrooms. Featuring a wall-mountable, rechargeable design, this smart electric dispenser offers a convenient, hygienic way to wash hands without touching the device, making it ideal for families with kids or couples. The dispenser is made of durable plastic and comes in a modern black color, seamlessly fitting into various decor styles. It includes adjustable settings for foam dispensation and a built-in clock for added functionality. This automatic soap dispenser ensures efficient, mess-free hand washing, promoting cleanliness and convenience in daily routines. Perfect for both hand soap and dishwashing applications, it caters to various needs, including foaming soap, lotion, or dish soap, making it a versatile and useful addition to any home or office space. Product 3. Product name, Greenlife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station. The Greenlife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for effortless meal preparation, specifically catering to breakfast lovers. This all-in-one station features healthy ceramic non-stick dual griddles, ideal for cooking eggs, meats like sausage and bacon, pancakes, and even breakfast sandwiches. The dual griddles offer a convenient way to prepare multiple breakfast items simultaneously, saving time and effort in the morning rush. A standout feature is its two-slice toast drawer, allowing you to toast bread or bagels to perfection while you prepare the rest of your breakfast. The easy-to-use timer ensures you can cook your meal to the perfect level of doneness without the worry of overcooking. Its vibrant turquoise design adds a fun, stylish touch to any kitchen, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing, perfect for those looking to simplify their breakfast routine. The Greenlife Breakfast Maker Station is an excellent choice for those who value a healthy, efficient, and hassle-free cooking experience. Product 4. Product name, Meter Block. The Meter Block is a Wi-Fi smart wireless meat thermometer designed for precise temperature monitoring in various cooking methods, including barbecue, oven, grill, kitchen, smoker, and air fryer. It features four wireless probes, allowing users to track multiple meats simultaneously, making it ideal for home cooks, barbecue enthusiasts, and professional chefs. This long-range thermometer provides real-time temperature readings through a dedicated iOS and Android app, offering guided cooking, customizable alerts, and estimated cook time. It also integrates with Apple Watch and Alexa, enabling hands-free monitoring and smart kitchen connectivity. The Meter Block's standalone mode with an OLED display allows usage without a phone, making it convenient for any cooking environment. Product 5. Product name, 6-in-1 Automatic Nut Milk Maker. The 6-in-1 Automatic Nut Milk Maker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for effortlessly preparing homemade plant-based milks, including almond, oat, coconut, soy, and other non-dairy beverages. With a 20-ounce capacity, it allows users to create fresh, preservative-free nut and grain milks at home with minimal effort. Key features include: have a checkmark multiple functions. Besides making nut milks, it offers boil water, delay start, keep warm, and self-cleaning functions for added convenience. Have a checkmark automatic operation. The one-touch system simplifies the process, eliminating the need for soaking, straining, or extensive preparation. Have a checkmark self-cleaning feature ensures effortless maintenance by automatically rinsing and cleaning the unit. Have a checkmark customizable recipes. Users can control ingredients, sweetness, and texture. Product 6. Product name Bamboo Steamer. A bamboo steamer is a traditional Asian kitchen tool used for steaming a variety of foods such as dumplings, bao buns, dim sum, rice, and vegetables. It is designed to preserve nutrients, moisture, and flavors while cooking, making it an essential appliance for healthy meal preparation. The 10-inch, 2-tier bamboo steamer is particularly versatile, allowing multiple dishes to be steamed at once. The included handle and ring adapter make it convenient to use on different types of pots and woks. Additionally, the reusable silicone liner enhances durability and makes cleanup easier, preventing food from sticking to the bamboo surface. This steamer kit is an excellent choice for those who enjoy authentic Chinese and Asian cuisine at home. It is ideal for making delicate pot stickers, fluffy bao buns, and perfectly steamed vegetables. Product 7. Product name Empanada Maker Press. The Empanada Maker Press is a versatile kitchen tool designed for making a variety of stuffed pastries and dumplings with ease. This 6-inch extra-large dumpling maker set includes a dough cutter and 5 different mold sizes, 6-inch, 5, 4, 3, and 2.6, making it ideal for preparing empanadas, pierogi, pastelitos, calzones, turnovers, and Chinese dumplings. For users interested in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, this set is a convenient addition to their kitchen. The molds help create uniformly shaped pastries with well-sealed edges, ensuring a professional quality finish. Whether for home cooking or meal prepping, the Empanada Maker Press simplifies the process of making stuffed delicacies, saving time. Product 8. Product name Alas Complete 20-piece Sushi Making Set. The Alas Complete 20-piece sushi making set is a comprehensive kit designed for both beginners and experienced sushi enthusiasts who want to create authentic sushi at home. This all-in-one set includes essential tools like a sushi knife, 2 rolling mats, a rice bazooka, and dipping plates, making it easy to craft perfect sushi rolls with precision and consistency. For users interested in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, this sushi making set complements their culinary collection by adding a specialized tool for Japanese cuisine. The inclusion of a rice bazooka simplifies the rolling process, ensuring even and professional-looking sushi rolls. Product 9. Product name Nordic Ware Geo Cast Cookie Stamps. The Nordic Ware Geo Cast Cookie Stamps are a high-quality baking tool designed for home bakers who enjoy adding artistic detail to their cookies. These cookie stamps feature intricate geometric patterns that create visually stunning embossed designs on cookie dough, making them ideal for decorative shortbread, sugar cookies, and other pressed cookie recipes. Crafted from cast aluminum with wooden handles, these stamps ensure durability and even impressions on the dough. The non-stick surface helps with easy release, and they require minimal effort to use. Simply press the stamp into the dough before baking. Since the user has an interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, the Nordic Ware Geo Cast Cookie Stamps could be a great addition to their collection. They align with the user's preference for functional and well-designed kitchen gadgets, offering a creative way to enhance homemade baked goods. Product 10. Product name Tumbler Rolling Knife Sharpener. The original tumbler rolling knife sharpener is a convenient and innovative tool designed for effortlessly sharpening kitchen knives. This rolling sharpener offers 15 degrees and 20 degrees angle sharpening, making it versatile for various types of knives, from precision chef's knives to everyday kitchen blades. Its unique tumbler design ensures consistent, controlled sharpening, making it a user-friendly option for home cooks and professional chefs alike. This knife sharpening kit aligns with the user's interest in kitchen gadgets and household tools, complementing their collection of baking tools, cooking thermometers, and other kitchen essentials. As a practical and compact tool, it is also an ideal gift for cooking enthusiasts. Whether used for regular maintenance or restoring dull blades, the original tumbler rolling knife sharpener simplifies the sharpening process while ensuring long-lasting knife performance. Product 11. Product name Modular Pots and Pans Organizer Rack. The Modular Pots and Pans Organizer Rack is a versatile and space-saving kitchen storage solution designed to keep cookware neatly organized. This 8-tier adjustable rack can be installed in 3 different configurations: vertical on one side, vertical on both sides, or horizontal, allowing users to customize it to fit their kitchen cabinets, countertops, or undercabinet spaces. This organizer is ideal for users who are interested in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, as it helps declutter kitchen spaces by securely holding pots, pans, lids, and even cutting boards. The adjustable dividers allow for flexible spacing, making it suitable for various cookware sizes. Its durable metal construction ensures stability, while its non-slip design prevents items from sliding or scratching. Product 12. Product name Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven. The Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven is a high-performance countertop electric pizza maker designed for home use. It features a powerful heating system that reaches temperatures up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing users to cook 12-inch pizzas in minutes. This model is ideal for making authentic, crispy pizzas similar to those from a professional pizzeria. Key highlights of the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven. 5 touchscreen presets. Offers customizable cooking options for different pizza styles. Pizza stone and peel included. Ensures even heat distribution for a crispy crust and easy handling of pizzas. Stainless black design, a sleek, modern look that fits well in any kitchen. Rapid heating, reduces wait time and enhances cooking efficiency. This electric pizza oven is a great addition for users who enjoy baking and kitchen appliances. It complements other cooking tools in your collection, allowing you to expand your homemade meal options with restaurant-quality pizzas. Product 13. Product name Nesco Deluxe Food vs. 12 Vacuum Sealer. The Nesco Deluxe Food vs. 12 Vacuum Sealer is a 130-watt compact kitchen appliance designed for food preservation. It features a kit of sealing bags, a transparent viewing lid, and a user-friendly control panel that allows you to customize vacuum strength and sealing modes. With its durable silver body, this vacuum sealer ensures airtight storage, extending food freshness and reducing waste. The double vacuum pump enhances sealing efficiency, making it suitable for a variety of foods, including meats, vegetables, and dry goods. Given your interest in kitchen appliances and baking tools, the Nesco VS12 could be a valuable addition to your kitchen, helping with food storage and meal prep. Product 14. Product name Teafuro 2.4-gallon kitchen compost bin. The Teafuro 2.4-gallon kitchen compost bin is a versatile and compact waste disposal solution designed for easy composting in various indoor settings. This bin is ideal for those looking to reduce food waste in their kitchen, office, or even bathroom. With a 2.4-gallon capacity, it provides ample space for daily compostable scraps without taking up much counter or under-sink space. It features a secure lid to help minimize odors, making it suitable for both kitchen use and other areas like bedrooms, bathrooms, and offices. Its mountable design allows for installation in cupboards or on walls, making it convenient for those who prefer hands-free access. The bin's sleek white finish blends well with most interior decor, and its sturdy construction ensures it can handle everyday use, even in more rugged environments like camping. Whether used on the counter, under the sink, or mounted in an easily accessible area, this compost bin offers a practical and eco-friendly way to manage organic waste indoors. Product 15. Product name Powerful Immersion Blender. The Powerful Immersion Blender is a versatile and efficient handheld kitchen tool, designed to make food prep easier and faster. With a 500-watt motor, this blender provides powerful blending performance, making it ideal for creating smooth soups, smoothies, purees, and baby food. The inclusion of a turbo mode offers an extra boost for tough tasks, ensuring that even harder ingredients are blended effortlessly. Its detachable base allows for easy cleaning and storage, while the 304 stainless steel blades are durable and rust-resistant, providing long-lasting performance. This immersion blender is a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen work, offering both convenience and versatility in one compact gadget. Product 16. Product name Instant Pot Duo. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 mini electric pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for small households or individuals. With its compact 3-quart size, it combines 7 different cooking functions: pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, and food warming, sterilizing. This multifunctional device allows for efficient meal preparation with reduced cooking times, thanks to the high-pressure cooking method. Made from stainless steel, it's both durable and easy to clean. For added convenience, the Instant Pot Duo includes a free app featuring over 1,900 recipes, helping users explore a wide range of dishes. Whether you're preparing a quick meal, cooking rice, making yogurt, or even steaming vegetables, this appliance simplifies cooking while delivering tasty results. Ideal for small kitchens, busy lifestyles, or anyone looking to streamline their cooking experience, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini is an excellent choice. Product 17. Product name Mueller UltraToast. The Mueller UltraToast full stainless steel toaster is a premium kitchen essential designed to provide convenience and efficiency for your morning routine. This 4-slice toaster features extra wide slots, making it versatile enough to accommodate various bread types, including thicker slices, bagels, or artisan breads. With a removable tray, cleaning up crumbs is a breeze, ensuring a tidy kitchen counter. This toaster offers 6 browning levels, allowing you to customize your toast to your desired crispiness. The LED display provides clear visibility of your selected settings, making adjustments quick and easy. Additionally, it includes cancel, defrost, and reheat functions, offering more control over your toasting experience. Whether you're defrosting frozen bread, reheating a slice, or simply canceling the toast mid-cycle, this toaster ensures flexibility. Product 18. Product name Double Oger Hot Bowl Dish Plate Gripper Clips. The Double Oger Hot Bowl Dish Plate Gripper Clips are a practical kitchen tool designed to help safely handle hot dishes, plates, or bowls, especially those taken out from appliances like an Instant Pot or microwave oven. Made from stainless steel, these gripper clips function as tongs or clamps, offering a secure grip on hot containers, allowing users to move them without the risk of burns or accidents. The clips are designed with anti-scalding features, ensuring a safer and more comfortable kitchen experience. This product comes in a set of 2, making it ideal for those who often handle hot cookware and need reliable, heat-resistant tools for everyday cooking tasks. With their robust construction and ergonomic design, they are perfect for anyone who frequently uses high-temperature kitchen appliances and seeks an easy, safe solution to handle hot plates or bowls. Product 19. Product name NextMug Self-Heating Coffee Mug. The NextMug Self-Heating Coffee Mug, black, 14 ounces, is an innovative, temperature-controlled mug designed to keep your beverage at the perfect temperature for hours. It uses advanced heating technology to maintain your drink at a consistent warmth, whether it's coffee, tea, or any other hot beverage. This mug is especially beneficial for those who often find their drinks cooling down too quickly while working, reading, or relaxing. The sleek black design and compact 14-ounce size make it a convenient, portable option for enjoying your beverages. It features a built-in rechargeable battery and an intuitive mobile app that allows you to set and control the temperature to your exact preference. With the NextMug, you no longer have to reheat your drinks multiple times throughout the day, offering a seamless experience for busy individuals. Product 20. Product name LifeWit Utensil Organizer. The LifeWit Utensil Organizer for kitchen drawers is a highly practical storage solution designed to help keep kitchen utensils neatly arranged. It is an expandable and adjustable tray that provides customizable space for cutlery, silverware, flatware, and other kitchen gadgets, making it ideal for organizing cooking utensils like spatulas, spoons, and knives. The large black organizer offers ample room for a variety of kitchen tools and tools, making it versatile for different drawer sizes. With its plastic construction, it is durable, easy to clean, and perfect for keeping kitchen tools organized and within reach. This organizer offers an efficient way to optimize drawer space while providing a tidy, clutter-free kitchen environment.